In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy from eBay.com. Head to eBay.com. Go ahead and click first of all the My eBay. In this eBay, you're going to find that you don't have an account. On the top left corner, you're going to find sign in or register. If you already have an account, click on sign in. If you don't, click on register. Choose your first name, your last name, and then your email address, and then a randomly generated password. Make sure that you don't use any password related to you by name, nickname, relative, pets, birthday, or anything like that, as it's pretty dangerous. Click on create an account, and then you'll be prompted with this page. You've successfully created your eBay account, but I highly suggest that you go ahead and try to verify your account in your email. If you didn't receive any email, go back to eBay right here. Choose the item that you're looking for, or search it. After searching the item, on the left bar, you can choose options. I'm looking for a wireless. I don't care about the brand. And I'm looking for a gaming mouse. You can see right here that these are the options. I'm going to choose one of those mouses. And then I'm going to be prompted with this page. In this page, I can either add to cart or buy now. I can also choose the type and the color. I can also choose the quantity. And then I'm going to click on buy it now. Here in this section, I will have to provide my address and information. After doing that, you will be good to go basically. And after filling all of those addresses, I'll be able to add a payment method. That's basically it for today's video, guys. Thanks and goodbye.